Greetings everyone, my name is King. I'm in software development and I made a project. The name is Panel World Perfumes. It's an e-commerce platform. So the name Panel World Perfume here shows you the time. But the time is 17:30 here. It's JavaScript that coded it. So here you write your email address, then your password. You can write anything at all. You sign in. Then it gives you to the place where you put your name, and then you go here where you can order now. Yeah, the difference between that one and this one is that this one has name, not password, and you can go back to the original place. And then if you don't remember your password, you can go to get password, and it takes you where you input your username and they'll send you an email. So you can either sign in from here or sign in from here, which takes you to this form where you fill your name, email, age. So here, this thing that pops up is that if your internet connection is not safe, it will show not secure. But if it's safe, it will show secure. That's JavaScript that did that. So you input your name, your email, and then the minimum age is 18, the maximum is 90. So you select the preferred product, and this one will you recommend. So here, your type. These are different types of perfume. Then this one is whether you like delivery or purchase, and you submit. Which this one also comes up, and these are the products. You can still go back, this icon, sign in, and then this is for questions if you have any questions. So the question gets to me, but if it doesn't, you can go to help, which will link you to my email address, and you can write your own email to whoever it is, and you can send it. Then you can still go back. Takes you back to this page. Go back, it takes you here because the form has already disappeared because you have filled it. That is basically what the website is about.
So this is an e-commerce website for perfumes.
Yes.
It's interesting. How did you build this?
I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The hardest part was the CSS because it was a bit confusing.
Wow.
The reason my JavaScript code is inside my HTML is because I prefer the JavaScript code to be here because it's easier for me to access it. This is the header, this is the navbar, this is the div, which shows the section, and this is just the name that I gave to the class. So the styling for this index.html is signit.css, where we get the navbar, which styles those black perfumes icons. This is the logo, the panel world logo. This is, if you hover it will change another color, just like those perfumes and icons.
What's the longest line of code you have on this? Scroll down. How many lines of code do you have on this page?
Here is total 267.
You wrote this yourself?
Yes.
And I can see you have several pages just like you have on the app itself. I can see FAQ, forms.html, index.html, and all these are linking together with themselves to give us this one entire stuff that we're seeing.
Yeah. Oh, there's one I forgot to show. This is to convert the weight of the perfume. If it's 10 ml, it's already in millimeter. So each perfume is in millimeter. So if it's 10 ml, you change it.
How long did this take you to build?
5 to 6 days.
Wow.
I thank my coach and my parents because I really gained deeper understanding. Thank you, principal. Thank you, coach.
A round of applause for King. This is super awesome. That's so awesome, King.